UGC NET JRF exam, History Solved Paper, June 2015, Paper 3. This paper contains 75 objective type questions of 2 marks each. All questions are compulsory. 1. Fossil evidence of Homo erectus was discovered at which one of the following places? A. Altamira. B. Choukoutien. C. Fayum Lake. D. Saint Acule. And answer is option B. Choukoutien. Question number 2. Jukhar culture was discovered at which one of the following sites? A. Anjira. B. Chankhudaro. C. Kulli. D. Rana Gundai. And answer is option B. Chankhudaro. Question number 3. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer with the help of the codes given below. List 1. Theory of decline of Harappan civilization. List 2. Advocate. Aryan invasion. R.P. Chanda and Mortimer Wheeler. Change in the course of river Indus. H.T. Lambrick. Gradual desiccation. M.R. Mughal. Repeated floods. Robert L. Raikes and George F. Dales. Question number 4. The mention of which of the following rivers in the Rig Veda indicates that Aryans' connection with Afghanistan? A. Asikni Parushni. B. Sindhu Suturdi. C. Suvastu Gomati. D. Vipas Vitasta. And the answer is option C. Suvastu Gomati. Question number 5. During the Upanishadic period, who was the learned lady scholar who could lecture on higher knowledge in the assembly of philosophers? A. Apala. B. Kosha. C. Gargi. D. Vishvavara. And the answer is option C. Gargi. Question number 6. Who among the following issued the mandate that any person welcoming the Buddha would be fined 500 Kahapanas? A. Mallas. B. Sakya. C. Mahadan King Ajatasatru. D. Vasa King Udayana. And the answer is option A. Mallas. Question number 7. The numerous caves on the Udayagiri Khandagiri hills of Odisha testify to the A. Continued existence of the Jain faith in Odisha. B. Popularity of Buddhism in Odisha. C. Existence of both Buddhism and Jainism in Odisha. D. Ashoka made special contribution to the ancient art of Odisha. And the answer is option A. Continued existence of the Jain faith in Odisha. Question number 8. In the course of Ajatasatru's war against Chetak, the ruler of Vaishali, Ajatasatru's minister Vasakhara had met Buddha at which of the following places? A. Rajagriha. B. Sarnath. C. Sravasti. D. Vaishali. And the answer is option A. Rajagriha. Question number 9. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer with the help of the given codes. List 1. Greek and Latin authors. List 2. Books. Arrian, Indica, Herodotus, Historica, Pliny, Naturalis Historia, Strabo, Geographica. Question number 10. Which of the following Ashokan inscriptions indicates that he did not abolish the capital punishment? A. Pillar Edict 4. B. Minor Rock Edict 1. C. Rock Edict 13. D. Separate Culling Edict. And the answer is option A. Pillar Edict 4. 11. Which of the following is a rock cut sculpture of the Mauryan period? A. Dauli elephant. B. Parkham Yaksha. C. Rampurva bull. D. The lion from Sanchi. And the answer is option A. Dauli elephant. 12. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer with the help of the codes given ahead. List 1 official, list 2 department. Kupyadayaksha, Superintendent of Forest Resources. Sannidatha, Superintendent of Treasury. Panyadayaksha, Superintendent of Trade and Commerce. Pautavadyaksha, Superintendent of Weights and Measures. 13. Which of the following Tamil anthologies is devoted to the praise of Chera kings? A. Ainguru Nuru. B. Kuruntohai. C. Paditrupattu. D. Narinai. And the answer is option C. Paditrupattu. 14. Arrange the following Buddhist stupas in the chronological order and select the correct answer with the help of the codes given below. 3. Sanchi. 1. Amaravati. 2. Sarnath. 4. Nalanda. 15. Satavahana coins with a representation of a ship with double mast have been found from which of the following areas? A. Coromandel coast. B. Krishna Godavari region. C. Nanagat and Janar region. D. Southwest Maharashtra. And the answer is A. Coromandel coast. 16. The gift of Jetavana Mahavihara has been represented on the pillar at an early Buddhist center of the south. A. Amaravati. B. Nagarjunakonda. C. Sannati. D. Satanikota. And the answer is option A. Amaravati. 17. Which one of the following facts about Samudragupta is not corroborated by his Allahabad pillar inscription? A. He was nominated by his father for rulership. B. He was a poet. C. His mother was Kumara Devi. D. He performed Aswamedha sacrifice. And the answer is option D. He performed Aswamedha sacrifice. 18. Given below are two statements, one labeled as assertion A and the other labeled as reason or assertion A. The Sakas were completely defeated and their kingdom annexed in the Gupta Empire during the reign of Chandragupta II. Reason R. It gave the Guptas access to Indian trade with the Mediterranean. In the context of the above two statements, which of the following is correct? The answer is option A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. 19. Which of the following works does not refer to the story of Ramagupta? A. Harsha Charita. B. Mudra Rakshasa. C. Natya Darpana. D. Majmud ul Tawarik. And the answer is option B. Mudra Rakshasa. 20. The Huna king Mihirakula was defeated by whom among us the following? A. Buddhagupta. B. Isanavarman. C. Rajyavardhana. D. Yashovardhana. And the answer is option D. Yasovardhana. 21. Which of the following pairs is not correctly matched? King title. Kumaragupta 1. Mahendraditya. Skandagupta. Sakraditya. Sindhuraja. Navashahasankha. Vallalasena. Nihashanka Sankara. The answer is option B. Skandagupta Sakraditya. 22. Given below are two statements, one labeled as assertion A and the other labeled as reason R. Assertion A. The rock cut rathas at Mahabalipuram have been named as Dharmaraja, Bhima, Arjuna, Draupadi, Nakula and Sahadeva. Reason R. The total number of rathas in this group is 8. In the context of the above two statements, which of the following is correct? And the answer is option B. Both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. 23. Which of the following gift ceremonies was performed by the Rashtrakuta king Nandidurga at Ujjaini? A. Hiranyagara. B. Ratnadhenu. C. Saptasagar. D. Tulapurusha. And the answer is option A. Hiranyagara. 24. Who among the following rulers of Kashmir has been described in the Rajatarangini as a Turuksha and an iconoclast? A. Avantivarman. B. Diddha. C. Lalitaditya. D. Harsha. And the answer is option D. Harsha. 25. Where was a Buddhist vihar built in India by the Sailendra king Balaputra Deva? A. Nagarjunakonda. B. Nagapatnam. C. Nalanda. D. Vikramasila. And the answer is option C. Nalanda. 26. Which of the following is not correct? A. In Kashmir, the Damaras were the most disturbing factor in political life. B. Al-Buruni says that only the Sudras could not learn the Vedas. C. According to Ibn-e-Asir, Muslims lived in Banaras since the days of Mahmud bin Sabukthagin. D. Atha Malik Juwaini is an important source on the objectives of the Indian campaigns of Muizzuddin. And answer is option B. Al-Buruni says that Only the Sudras could not learn the Vedas. 27. The following are correct except A. Fakhri Mudhabir dedicated his book on the art of warfare to Iltutmish. B. Isami does not agree with Minhaj as Siraj that people from different parts of the world made a beeline into the newly founded city of Delhi. C. Minhaj says that Razia was endowed with all the admirable attributes and qualifications necessary for kings. D. Razia's assertive role in appointing non-Turks to important posts was resented by the Turkish nobles, leading to their plans to overthrow her. And the answer is option B. Izami does not agree with Minhaj as Siraj that people from different parts of the world made a beeline to the newly founded city of Delhi. 28. Madan E. Shifa E. Sikandar Shahi is a work on A. Unani medicine, B. Ayurveda, C. Surgery, D. Medicinal plants. And the answer is option A. Ayurveda. 29. Who is the author of the following quote? We Indians are able to speak foreign language, but the Chinese, Mongol, Turks and Arabs are unable to speak our Hindi tongue. Indians do not go to other countries to seek knowledge, others have to come here. India has given the world the numerals, the Panchatantra tales and chess. A. Abul Fazl, B. Amir Khusrau, C. Jahangir, D. Dara Shikoh. And the answer is option B. Amir Khusrau. 30. The Sun Temple built at Gaya during the Sultanate period has an inscription containing the name of a Sultan twice. Who is this Sultan? A. Alauddin Khilji, B. Qutbuddin Mubarak Khilji, C. Muhammad Tughlaq, D. Firuz Tughlaq. And the answer is option D. Firuz Tughlaq. 31. Who wrote the following glowing ode to Hindustan? Great is the prosperity of Hindustan. Heaven itself is the jealous of this garden. Its territories are an ornament to the face of the earth, as a beauty spot on the face of a lovely maiden. A. Isami, B. Hasan Nizami, C. Amir Khusrau, D. None of the above. And the answer is option E. Isami. 32. For among the following speaks of young girls being trained by Indian courtesans in Persian, Parsi and Indian Hindi music for the Delhi court in the late 13th century. A. Amir Khusrau, B. Minaj Siraj, C. Ziauddin Bharani, D. Shamas E. Siraj Afif. And the answer is option C. Ziauddin Bharani. 33. Among the following, who is the first to clarify that there is no basis for identifying the Hindus wholesale with the Mukaddams and Quds? A. Eliot and Dawson, B. Muhammad Habib, C. W.H. Moreland, D. Ishwari Prasad. And the answer is option C. W.H. Moreland. 34. Given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion A and the other is labeled as reason R. Assertion A. The political history of Vijayanagar Empire was characterized by frequent dynastic changes and internal warfare. Reason R. The Bahmani Sultanate and its successor states posed a serious threat to the Vijayanagar Empire. Read the above statements and select the correct answer from the quotes given below. And the answer is option B. Both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. 35. The signal feature of the popular monotheistic movements of the 15th to 16th centuries was that A. It was a movement of the subalterns. Its leaders came from the middle class and addressed the common people in their own language. B. It was a movement of common people exploited by the elite for their own interests. C. It was a movement of subalterns. Its leaders were also subalterns and they addressed in the language of the people. D. It was a movement preaching the oneness of God by extensively quoting from the scriptures. And the answer is option C. It was a movement of subalterns. Its leaders were also subalterns and they addressed in the language of the people. 36. Match list 1 with list 2 and choose correct answer from the quotes given ahead. Koila Rai Pithora, nucleus of Iltutmish Delhi, which is 14th century, came to be called Dhil-e-Khuna, Old Delhi. Kilokhari, It was here that Sultan Jalaluddin Khalji built his new city, Shah-e-Nau, Hausikas and Tughlakabad. Alauddin Khalji and Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq respectively. Adilabad and Jahanpana. Muhammad Tughlaq 37, during whose reign Alasani Padhana, the court poet, composed Manucharita, a rich description of romance and passion with free use of Arabic and Persian words. A. Sadaseva Raya, B. Krishnadeva Raya, C. Ramaraja, D. None of the above, and answer is option B. Krishnadeva Raya 38. Which of the following is not correct? A. Ibrahim Adil Shah too had the title of Abla Baba, friend of the poor, and he also came to be called Jagat Guru for his broader outlook. B. Muhammad Quli Qutub Shah wrote in Dhakhni, Urdu, Persian, and Telugu and left an extensive divan. See, Ali Adil Shah invited Catholic missionaries to his court even before Akbar had done so. D. Ibrahim Qutub Shah wrote a book, Kitab-e-Nawraz, in which songs were set to various ragas. And the answer is option D. Ibrahim Qutub Shah wrote a book, Kitab-e-Nawraz, in which songs were set to various ragas. 39. Who among the following collected the information about the disabled people and paid them maintenance allowance? A. Sher Shah, B. Akbar, C. Jahangir, D. Shah Jahan. And the answer is option A. Sher Shah. 40. Emperor Akbar adopted many Indian socio-cultural customs. One of them was to shave a head after the death of a member of Mughal royal family. Who was the lady after her death? Akbar shaved his head and mustache in 1604 AD. A. Gulbadan Begum, B. Salima Begum, C. Hamida Banu Begum, D. Maham Anga. And the answer is option C. Hamida Banu Begum. 41. Given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion A and other is labeled as reason R. Assertion A. Barkhudar, son of Abdur Rahman, as he had come to court without a summon, Jahangir ordered him to go back to his Jagir. Reason R. It is not according to good manners to go to king's banquet without a summon, otherwise there would be no forbidding of the doors and walls to the fruit of desire. And in the context of the above two statements, which of the following is correct? And the answer is option A. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. 42. Which one of the following is not correct? A. Tarachand credits the Mughals for steamrolling the old plurality of political units. B. R.C. Majumdar refuses to endorse P.N. Oak's fantasies about the Taj Mahal being a Hindu monument. C. Tariq-i-Alfi was written at the instance of Aurangzeb. D. Sheikh Tajuddin, a protagonist of Ibn al-Arabi, introduced his principal concepts in Akbar's court at Fatehpur Sikri. And the answer is option C. Tariq-i-Alfi was written at the instance of Aurangzeb. 43. Which one is not correct in regard of the institution of Watan Jagir? A. Concept of Watan Jagir come into being during Sultan Alauddin Khalji's period 1296 to 1316 AD. B. Concept of Watan Jagir come into being towards the end of Akbar's reign. C. Akbar's farman to Raja Rai Singh of Bikaner is the primary source to know about the origin and concept of Watan Jagir. D. Revenues of the Watan Jagir were part of the salary of Watan Jagir holder, and the answer is option A. Concept of Watan Jagir come into being during Sultan Alauddin Khilji's period 1296 to 1316 AD. 44. H.B.W. Garrick was surprised by a discovery he made in 1883-84, which he penned down as follows. This discovery opens up a problem of which the only solution which presents itself to me is that the barrier dividing the Hindus and Muslims 3-4 centuries ago was far less impassable than it is at the present day. After which discovery, H.B.W. Garrick made this observation. A. Muhammad Tughlaq's playing holy, his conversation with yogis and solicitude for the Jains. B. The Sanskrit inscription of 1246 at Veeraval, Gujarat, telling the erection of a mosque under the patronage of a Hindu ruler. C. The famous victory tower of Rana Kumbha with word Allah in Arabic recorded many times in excellent workmanship. D. Akbar's policy of peace with all. And answer is option C. The famous victory tower of Rana Kumbha with word Allah in Arabic recorded many times in excellent workmanship. 45. Towards the end of which ruler began the practice of decorating the walls with floral designs made of semi-precious stones called Petra Dura. A. Muhammad Kuli Qutub Shah. B. Akbar. C. Jahangir. D. Shah Jahan. And the answer is option C. Jahangir. 46. Which of the following statements with regard of Marathas is not correct? A. Within his own kingdom, Swarajya, Shivaji attempted to build regular administration on the model of Deccan Sultanates. The taxation within it was very light. B. Shivaji's death saw a momentary eclipse of the polity he had founded as his son Shambhaji was captured and executed by Aurangzeb. C. Marathas enlarged their resources by a rigorous collection of chauth. D. Aurangzeb was in the Deccan continuously since 1681, and the answer is option A. Within his own kingdom, Swarajya, Shivaji attempted to build regular administration on the model of Deccan Sultanates. The taxation within it was very light. Directions, question 47 to 50. Read the given paragraph and answer the questions given ahead. There is an interesting case of prohibition of drinking wine. The Sultan personally gave up drinking. The royal drinking vessels of glass and porcelain were broken before the Badhan gate, and wine from the royal jars was poured out, creating mud and mire as in the rainy season. Then officers mounted on elephants proclaimed in the streets and lanes of Delhi that no one was to drink or sell liquor or go near it. The licensed tavern keepers and the distillers of liquor were driven out of Delhi, and the revenue from them was written off. Persons with self respect gave up drinking at the first warning, but others distilled liquor from sugar in their houses and sold it at a high price. They also tried to get jars of liquor from outside the city hidden in carts under wood and grass. Sultan Alauddin ordered dry wells to be dug near the Badhaun gate, and persons who were found disobeying his order were thrown into them. Most of them died, and those who survived regained their health only after prolonged treatment. It was possible at the worst of times to go 10 or 12 karos out of Delhi for a good drink, but no drink was available within 4 or 5 karos of Delhi in suburbs like Gyaspur, Indrapat, and Kailughari. Ultimately, Sultan relented and passed an order that if a man distilled liquor in his own house for his own consumption, but was not guilty of selling it or of calling a drinking party, he was not be molested, and the spies were not to enter his house. 47. Point out the name of Sultan who prohibited the drinking and selling of liquor. A. Balban, B. Alauddin Khalji, C. Firoz Tughlaq, D. Sikandar Lodi. And the answer is option B. Alauddin Khalji. 48. Who announced the prohibition order to the people? A. Sultan's officers, B. Sultan Kharkun, C. Sultan himself, D. Sultan's guards. And the answer is option A. Sultan's officers. 49. Badhan Gate is situated in A. Badhan, B. Delhi, C. Shahjahanabad, D. Agra, and the answer is option B. Delhi. 50. Which one of the places was not within the range of 4 or 5 karo of Delhi? A. Bahadurgarh, B. Gaspur, C. Indrapat, D. Khailugari, and the answer is option A. Bahadurgarh. 51. Of the following, which is not a part of the changes brought about by Tipu in quest for independence? A. He inserted his own name in the Kubba. B. He sought a sanat from the Khalifa for the legitimation of the rule. C. He issued his independent coins. D. He threatened all the European companies to oust from South India. And the answer is option D. He threatened all the European companies to oust from South India. 52. Consider the following about the Rayotwari system. 1. It was made with the cultivators directly. 2. The cultivators could sell their land. 3. The land revenue was to be revised periodically. 4. The extensive survey of all land was conducted immediately. Select the correct answer from the quotes given below. And the answer is option A 1, 2, and 3. 53. Who among the following commented that in India the British had to deal with a race of people slow to change, bound up by religious prejudices and antiquated customs? A. Lord Macaulay, B. Sir Charles Wood, C. Lord Stanley, D. Sir William Hunter, and the answer is option B. Sir Charles Wood. 54. Who raised the banner of revolt of 1857 at Andasur? A. Prince Feroz Shah, B. Sahadat Khan, C. Maulvi Ahmadullah, D. Birjis Qadar. And the answer is option A. Prince Feroz Shah. 55. Chronologically arrange the annexation of the following Indian territories by the English East India Company. 2. Sindh. 4. Satara. 1. Punjab. 3. Nagpur. 56. Match the peasant movement mentioned in the list 1 with the leaders of these movements given in the list 2. Select the correct quotes given ahead. List 1 peasant movement, list 2 leaders. Fakir, Manjusha, Ramoziz, Chittur Singh, Pahal Pantis, Khansha, Bihar Kisan Sabha, Swami Sahaj Anand Saraswati. 57. Out of the following, which two universities were established in the same year? Select the proper quotes from answer. 1. Banaras Hindu University. 2. Aligarh Muslim University. 3. Srimati Nathibai Damodar Thakkar Indian Women's University. 4. Vishwabharati International University. And the answer is 1 and 3. Banaras Hindu University. Srimati Nathiba Damodar Thakkar Indian Women's University. 58. Which one of the following does not come under regulations issued by Lord Wellesley to control press in India? A. The properties and editors of the newspapers were required to give the names on their publications. B. They were required to publish news about the contemporary wars fought in Europe. C. Any trespass of the regulations was to result in an immediate deportation to Europe. D. Definite censorship on all newspapers was established under regulations. And the answer is option B. They were required to publish news about the contemporary wars fought in Europe. 59. Consider the following. 1. The Gurudwara Reform Act. Give the correct chronological order from the quotes given below. 4. The Rowlatt Act. 3. Entry of Swaraj Party in Legislative Council. 1. The Gurudwara Reform Act. 2. Death of Lala Lajpat Rai. 60. Almost simultaneously with Dadabhai Naoroji, two other Indian leaders rose to point out the evils of drain of wealth out of the following. 1. B. R. Ambedkar. 2. R. R. Bose. C. M. G. Ranade. 4. Ramesh Chandra Dutt. Select the correct code which represents the names of the leaders. Option C, 3 and 4. M. G. Ranade and Ramesh Chandra Dutt. 61. Which of the following newspapers got converted into the Harijan Bandhu in 1932? A. Gujarati. B. Yuganthar. C. Navjeevan. D. Anand Bazar Patrika. And answer is option C. Navjeevan. 62. Which one of the following famines was described as the sea of calamity? A. Madras Presidency 1866 to 67. B. Rajputana 1868-69. C. Bengal 1860-61. D. Odisha 1866-67. And the answer is option D. Odisha 1866-67. 63. Which of the following is not authored by Vijayalakshmi Pandit? A. Role of women in modern world. B. The evolution of India. C. Voices in the city. D. Present days. And the answer is option C. Voices in the city. 64. How much time was given to Sir C. Radcliffe to submit the delineation Report of the boundaries of Punjab and Bengal. A. 4 weeks. B. 6 weeks. C. 2 months. D. 3 months. And the answer is option B. 6 weeks. 65. Which one of the following pairs of social reformers pioneered the cause of widow education? A. B. M. Malabhari and K. Sridhalu Naidu. B. Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar and Keshav Chandra Sen. C. M.G. Ranade and R.G. Bhandarkar. D. D.K. Karve and Ramabai. And the answer is option B. Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar and Keshav Chandra Sen. 66. Consider the following statements. Assertion A. In 1781, Warren Hastings set up the Calcutta Madrasa, and in 1791, Jonathan Duncan started a Sanskrit college at Varanasi. Reasoner. Both these institutions were designed to provide a regular supply of qualified Indians to help the administration of law in the courts of the company. In the context of the above two statements, which one of the following is correct? Option A, both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of E. 67. Consider the following statements. Assertion A. While joining the mainstream of the national freedom movement led by Gandhi, the tribal communities were unmindful of the demands of the situation. Reason R. Swaraj meant for them both freedom from British rule and freedom from the oppression of the money lenders, zamindars, and feudal overlords. In the context of the above two statements, which one of the following is correct? The answer is option D. A is false, but R is true. 68. Consider the following statements. Assertion A. The early British administrators of India viewed 18th century as a period of instability and insecurity. Reason R. The rise of British power in India during this period was attributed to the decline of Mughal power and the resultant political, military, and economic chaos. In the context of the above two statements, which one of the following is correct? The answer is option B. Both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of E. 69. Which one of the following pairs of distinguished scholars contributed to prose writings in Tamil? A. Rajan Iyer and Kupuswamy. B. C. Rajagopalachari and Vayaburi Pillai. C. P. Mudaliar and Srinivas Iyengar. D. Srinivas Shastri and Surya Narayan Shastri. And the answer is option B. C. Rajagopalachari and Vayaburi Pillai. 70. The Colombo proposals made by the Afro-Asian countries conference held in 1962 stands for A. The suggestions were made for solving the ethnic problem of Sri Lanka. B. The suggestions were made for the future of Tibet. C. The possibilities were explored of solving the problem of disputed islands between India and Sri Lanka. D. Suggestions were made for solving the problem of Indian and Chinese borders. And the answer is option D. Suggestions were made for solving the problem of Indian and Chinese borders. 71. Indicate the statement which is not correct in respect of positive school of thought. A. Historians of positivist school applied scientific method of inquiry. B. They stood for actual, absolute, and dependable knowledge. C. They accepted individualism and made the historical works more imaginative. D. They claimed that positivism made history a natural science. And the answer is option C. They accepted individualism and made the historical works more imaginative. 72. Consider the following statements relating to national historiography. 1. Indian national historiography was a reaction to the prejudices of colonial writings. 2. Within the historiography, there was a search for Indian identity in various forms covering a wide range of subjects. 3. The main object was not the glorification of India's past. 4. They were necessarily propagandist in nature while defending Indian culture against the unfounded charges of European writers. Select the answer from the quotes given below, and the answer is option A. 1 and 2 are correct. 73. Consider the following statements. Assertion A. Ideological consideration and national fervor often distort history and its objectivity. Reason R. Objectivity in history is attainable when events are presented by the historian in dispassionate and scientific manner. In the context of the above statements, which one of the following quotes is correct? The answer is option A. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. 74. Which one of the following pairs is not correctly matched? Name of the author, title of the book. A. R.C. Dutt. Economic history of India. B. Dadabhai Naoroji, the drain of wealth and Indian nationalism at the turn of the century. C. W. Digley, prosperous British India. D. V. Anstey, economic development of India. And the answer is option B. Dadabhai Naoroji, the drain of wealth and Indian nationalism at the turn of the century. 75. After which constitutional amendment the fundamental duties were incorporated in the Indian Constitution? A. 40th Amendment, B. 41st Amendment, C. 42nd Amendment, D. 43rd Amendment. And the answer is option C. 42nd Amendment.